Spicy prawn and tomato stew. From a cookbook, Zaitoun by Yasmin Khan. How to prepare prawns is not included in the cookbook. I will show you how I peel and devein them. Get rid of the head first by pulling and twisting. Lots of people tend to get hurt by this sharp bit, so cut it off for safety. Using the chopstick, I poke in right above the tail, belly side up, and find a way to get near the head. Pull the chopstick out and now peel off the shell. Later, I will also show you how to do this using scissors. To devein, I use a toothpick. For smaller prawns, without using a knife, you can just pick the vein out. For bigger prawns, it's better to use scissors. Like I said earlier, for smaller prawns, without using a knife, you can just pick the vein out. Use the toothpick to pull out the vein about 2/3 of the way down towards the tail. Rinse them under running water. Smash them in a mortar and pestle for a few minutes. This releases the oils from the chilies and herbs and makes them more fragrant. Cover and simmer for 20 minutes over a low heat. Meanwhile, toast the sesame seeds. Stir for a few minutes until they turn golden brown. When the sauce is ready, taste and adjust the seasoning. You may want to add a pinch of more sugar or a bit more chili. Add the prawns. It was a low heat, so I turned up the heat to cook the prawns. Cook for about 2 minutes or until they have just turned pink. Drizzle with a generous amount of extra virgin olive oil and scatter with sesame seeds and chopped parsley.